Now that we've got our headings from point to point, the next step is to measure the distances. To do this, we're going to use a set of dividers. You could also use the scale ruler on the side of your portment plotter. To measure the distance using the dividers, we are first going to set them to the length of the line to be measured. We're then going to carry this measurement across to the side of our chart where we can see our latitude position is being marked. Between 13 minutes and 14 minutes here is 1 nautical mile. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure our distance up against our latitude and count it. So 1.6 nautical miles. We're then going to write that in over on our chart as 1.6 capital N, capital M for nautical miles. We're then going to repeat that process for the following two legs. Again, bring our measurement over to our latitude lines. We can count 1 degree or 1 minute as being 1 mile. We're starting off at 13 minutes, 1 mile, 2 miles, 0.123, roughly 2.3 miles. Again, writing it in, capital N and M for nautical miles. And again, for our final leg, set our dividers to the length of the line, carry it over then to the side of the chart, and we have 1.1234567, 1.75 nautical miles.